Hello and welcome to today's IC Markets commentary with me, Andy Demi. So today I'm going to begin with Bitcoin. Now, as you can see with Bitcoin right now, it is actually hogging a channel line that I've drawn in here. So it's at a very key point. So you can see we've had a really nice strong rally and we have approached this resistance area where I would have a little bit of caution, especially if you're considering going long. For me, if we were to break and close above here, you can see we're really struggling at the moment, consolidating, then I could see this thing going up to this next channel line up here, okay, and towards that kind of 59,000-60,000 level here on Bitcoin. So right now I would be cautious. I'd be looking for a potential pullback. However, if we do close above it, then we could start to consider longs again. Next I want to look at is Ethereum. So you can see Ethereum here on a 4-hour time frame. It is trending very nicely. You've got the 21 moving average here, which it's holding on, and this nice little trend line that it's holding on as well. For me, as long as we stay above this trend line, then I'm going to be looking for Ethereum to go higher. If we were to break this, then that's when I'd start to get more bearish on this, and there's lots of room to the downside. Look, one of the concerns right now with Ethereum is on this time frame anyway, we do have this divergence here, so just be wary of that. If we were to break this trend line here, we could even take out these lows and possibly potentially even go as low as down to this longer term trend line as well, or back towards this 200 moving average with this previous resistance there. So right now, in simple terms, trade the trend, go long as we stay above that line. Next, the S&P 500. Let's move on to that. The S&P 500 is looking very strong. This is a weekly time frame. Right now you can see all of the moving averages are fanning nicely to the upside. I do like the 21 as a value point. You can see it's also a really nice level, and also you can see in the past we've held as really nice support in this really strong trend. So I look at this area here as a nice value point. So either the market consolidates and this moving average catches up, or potentially we get a pullback. But right now S&P 500 looks bullish. Next, cable right now is at resistance. You can see it's just consolidating, not a lot going on. Maybe we kind of need a false break or something, and then potentially we go lower. Right now I am just trading the range. Very difficult to take a direction because we're really not moving at all right now on this pair. Kiwi dollar, I've been waiting for this channel support to get hit. I thought we were kind of getting there here. We didn't quite get there. We're now rallying, so I've taken the AB fib here, okay, and I've marked down this area here, the 618 around 62.30 as an area of interest for selling. Okay, so you can see it's also a previous level, nice reaction point in the past. So I'm looking at this area here as potentially a shorting opportunity if we rally, and then potentially we push down towards this channel line. Then we've got the dollar yen right now. For me, as long as we stay below this resistance point, I am favoring the short side. So right now I'm looking at these rallies for potential shorting opportunities. And then finally we have gold. Gold really has not done a lot since we last spoke about it. It's just kind of hogging this resistance. We had this a bit of a false break there. Right now it is consolidating. I think there's a lot of uncertainty in the world right now, so I think right now look for short-term opportunities. Very difficult to make longer-term predictions, but if we want to keep things really simple, we are at resistance here. So therefore, at the moment, being at resistance at a high point, we should be overall looking for this market to go lower. But like I said, I wouldn't necessarily be jumping in that position. I'd be kind of looking at the more short-term opportunities on the lower time frames. That is it for me for today. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a good one, and I'll catch you again with another one soon. Take care.